The other night, crazy dream came to me. I dreamt I crashed in my old T3. Went to the mechanic the very next day, see what kind of words he could say. Said it was a bad dream. I wouldn't worry about it none though. Little old van's built like a truck.
The web of life, and we are all connected. And as we affect a single strand, the whole web is affected.
I was worried that there wasn't much up front here to absorb the impact of a crash. I was afraid that in an accident the front would just fold in on me. So I asked this nice English mechanic who said,
there is an additional protective frame which converts impact energy into deformation and distributes it evenly. These struts also offer additional protection to passengers in the event of lateral impact. LT vehicles also have deformation elements and protective struts.
That was very reassuring. Now I'll be able to sleep at night and dream about the next phase of the renovation. But in my dream, my silver and blue van was silver and black, and I liked it much more, so it was back to the spray booth. Besides, there's some body repairs still to be done. I have to knock out some old filler, kill the rust, and then refill and sand it flat. This is the time to get all the little knocks and dings sorted out. The sliding door has to come off again, a lot easier the second time around. Much like everything really, the trick of course is having the courage to do things for the first time. Did I say that before somewhere? First I have to sand it, then fill the dent, sand it again, and paint it. I found an old roof rack that was leaning up against the side of my friend's house. A roof rack should be horizontal and on a roof. I had to make some clamp things to fix it onto the roof, which was tricky. But now that's a perfect place to put my surfboard. I had other plans for the original rack. Excuse me a minute, there's somebody at the front door. Oh boy, a solar panel, just what the doctor ordered. Look at that bad boy. It came with a control box that regulates the charging to the auxiliary battery, which is under the seat. This is the main power outlet from the controller. Cables out through the vent and up to the roof. The solar panel is mounted on the original roof rack. I got some outlets online, so I have power by the table for phone and chargers. Also a Uniworks ashtray pod with a light switch for outside lights. Another essential was a bike rack. It had to be on the front so as not to block the rear hatch. With a little modification I was able to carry the bike. Held on with a couple of bungee cords. Okay, all ready to rock and roll. Let's go out for a test drive. After all, it is important to get out and do something exciting. Hunter S. Thompson, who wrote Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, said, "Life should not be a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in a pretty and well-preserved body, but rather to skid in broadside in a cloud of dust, thoroughly used up, totally worn out, and loudly proclaiming, 'Wow, what a ride!'"